guys, welcome back to my channel. Some of you asked me recently how I script my videos for my channel. So in today's video, let's talk about scripting videos. I want to share with you my process, what my thought process is. First of all, let's talk about whether you should script your videos. I think that depends on a few factors. The first one is what kind of videos that you are planning for your channel. Is it this type of video where you sit down and talk to your audience? Is it an educational video? Is it a beauty video, a travel video? So depending on the type of video that you have, it may require different type of preparation. Like if you have an educational talking head video, it may require a little bit more research that you need to done, you need to make notes. The second thing is how well do you express your thought? It may be very easy for some people to express their thoughts. It's very easy for them to elaborate and talk for a long time about one subject without any preparation. Some people need more visual preparation, or maybe they need to write down their thoughts in order to speak out smoothly. It can vary person by person. For myself, it depends. Depends on the day, depends on my energy of the day, and also depending on the subjects that I'm talking about. There are subjects that I am more familiar with. I talk about it more. Then it's easier for me to gather my thoughts and put it into words and speak to the video. But there are some other subjects that I'm not as familiar. I may need more preparation, and there are some vocabularies that I may not have. Things like that, then I will need a little bit more scripting. The third thing is scripting your video going to affect your personality? So again, depending on the type of video that you're shooting, some videos may require you to be more spontaneous. It may be better for you to just talk freely to show your personality. So scripting might be too restricting in terms of letting your personality shine. So before you script your video, consider these three factors. Now let's come to my computer and then I'll show you how I prepare my script. I think the general rule of thumb is to prepare at least a few key points for your videos. It doesn't matter what niche you are in. It can be beauty video, it can be tutorial, it can be a travel vlog. Put in a few key points. It helps you to structure your video and really focus on what you need to do for that video. If you don't have an outline of your video, it's very easy to ramble out of topic. You're gonna end up having a lot of clips that you have to go through and edit down. Let's come look at one of the videos that I have here. So for this one, the basic outline is there. When I actually film the video, I will follow these key points. Most of my videos are gonna be in a structured outline. I can deliver the points that I planned out. I will write down all the key points that I want to talk about. These are the bare minimum, just the bones of the video. So when I actually sit down and film this video, I will just follow these key points. I will just talk based on the thoughts at the moment. I also find that when I plan out a video, it also really depends on my energy at the moment. Sometimes when I am more passionate about a specific topic, I actually have a lot of thoughts that come through my mind. For this video, for example, when I sit down and decided to plan out this video, I actually had a lot of thoughts that come through my mind. I just decided I'm gonna just type it all out. I know it's very long, but I feel that sometimes when the thoughts come through my mind, it's almost like there's another character in my head that's talking through these points. If you don't write it down right away, when you're actually sitting down to film, you couldn't remember them. So when these thoughts come to my mind, I will just go ahead and write these down. I don't necessarily follow the exact scripts here when I film the video, but at least I already have my thoughts gathered. They already flow through into a structured. The grammar is okay. So this is a great outline for me to follow when I actually film the video. Another tip for you guys, if you happen to write down all your thoughts when you're planning out your video or your script, a great way to repurpose that content is if you have a blog, you can actually reformat the script that you already wrote down and put it in a blog post and insert it your video in your website or your blog so that it's an actual piece of content that you can put out. So that's just something that I learned, if you have time, of course. For this particular video, I can actually repurpose them, reformat it into a blog post and put it on my website. So yeah, so that's basically my tips for this video. I hope that's helpful to you. Let me know if you have any comments or feedback. If you have any requests, any type of video that you want me to share, feel free to leave me a comment down below as well. Thank you so much for tuning in today. I'll see you in the next video.